I'm going to be doing a DIY with slime. So all you're going to need is soap and powder. So first I'm going to put the I don't have that much soap, so instead of using soap, why can't you use if it's safe though? But since that's not working, I'm gonna use this. But if it don't work, I'm never wearing these glasses. Okay, it's kind of like soap. It's just Dawn. This using Dawn, but it might not work. So don't try this if it don't work. So you'll see if it don't work. Okay, let me put all this stuff back. I already put the soap back. So that's how it looks. Okay. I have a toothpick to stir because I have nothing else. I can't use a spoon on this little small thing. On this DIY. It's a little bit of working. I think tomorrow's Friday. I get 2 days out of school. Yes, dish detergent though. Cornwork. I actually never did this DIY, but I was just so bored. Where's the powder? I need powder. More powder, more powder, more powder. Powder is the answer to everything. You can't really see it because it's my dark shades are just dark. Gosh. It wears out. The powder. That's why I keep using powder. More and more powder is the answer. More and more powder is the answer. But I'm not trying to use all the powder. Because I'm going to use it on my reborn baby that I'll get on Christmas. Ooh, I got meat right here. I'm just playing, but I do got an itchy spot. I hope it's not a ring. Ring. I'm just gonna stir gently. It turned blue again. See, I told you, it's not gonna work. It keeps doing it. I'm just gonna add a little water. Just a little. Don't be scared, cats. Well, you're not scared, so it's a DIY. I know I shouldn't use the water because it'll mess up the plan. Because now it's not gonna be sticky, but I know what to use. Powder! Powder ain't spreading. But that's okay because I got this. I'm gonna keep on using powder until I get the right answer from it. is the answer to everything. But I'm gonna have to clean it, I know. Oh yeah, it's the answer though. If you keep adding powder and you use this, yeah, powder is the answer. Because it's starting to get sticky. Oh, it got sticky. Yes. Powder is the answer. Thank you, powder. So remember, it's not soap. It's Dawn, water, and powder. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Finally, I got it. 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 Yes. Okay, I'm trying to get the powder off of my ends of my glasses. But I don't use these a whole lot, so I don't wear them in school. It's not like I wear them in school. This is not for your babies to eat. Your siblings, like a baby. I'm gonna keep this high and in a safe place. Remember, this is a DIY, so you gotta do it yourself. If you can't do it yourself, just don't do it. Yay! Slime is getting there. Okay. Okay, now I'm about to pour